Hello, I'm Daniel Watrous, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to configure the message settings for ioptinboost. ioptinboost is a WordPress plugin that integrates directly with your iContact email service to increase your opt-in rate and your survey participation. This video and other videos are available on ioptinboost.com, where you can also download a version of the software for your own website. When you first log into your WordPress blog, you'll scroll down, and under the Settings menu, you'll see a link for ioptinboost. Click that to show the ioptinboost settings. Now, before I show you how to configure the messaging, let me show you what the messaging is. When you come to your website, where you have ioptinboost installed, the first bit of messaging is this that reads, "Fuel the conversation and submit a question now." This is a call to action. The second bit of messaging occurs when you click either the icon or that call to action. By clicking those, you display a light box. The light box repeats that call to action, as you can see here, fuel the conversation and submit a question now. But it also gives you a chance to do a little more selling, a little bit more explanation for why they should take your survey or opt into your website. So the message settings will allow us to both configure what this message is and the font that we use. So let's go have a look now at our message settings. When you're on your settings page, you scroll down almost to the bottom, and you'll see a box or a section that says Opt-in Lightbox Message Settings. The opt-in call to action is right here, and you simply type in whatever it is you'd like. The opt-in lightbox message is right here, and again, you type in whatever you'd like. You have the option to change the font. So if you wanted a very bold font, now you can change the font to match the font on your website. You can also control the size of the font by simply typing in a new value here. The font weight, you can choose bold or normal, and in the event that the alignment was off, you have the flexibility to change the position, either positive or negative, vertically and horizontally, to make sure that everything lines up just right so that you have a real professional look. In order to change the font for the call to action, all you do is click in this field, and you'll see that it shows you a color box, and you can click anywhere in this color box to choose a font that you think will be the right color. So in our case, let's choose a bright font. Since we're on top of a dark blue background, we'll choose yellow. And you can also change the saturation over here on the right. Likewise, for the color of the lightbox background, let's say we wanted to lighten that up a bit. After you've made your changes here, you click Update All Settings. Now, one other bit you'll notice, and we'll get to this in more detail when we cover the opt-in forms themselves, but you can also change the color, the font color for the opt-in form. So whichever font you end up with here, you can simply copy and paste. And that way your fonts will match. Click Update All Settings and come back to your website and refresh. So now you'll notice that the font has changed to Georgia, which matches the rest of our website. It also has turned yellow, and you'll notice that when we click on the light box, the fonts here are yellow and the background is a lighter color blue. Now, one thing I notice, and let's go back and make a quick adjustment here, is that if we've got Georgia here, under our opt-in form details, we want to change that to Georgia as well. And then the bold, I didn't think the bold looked very good, so I'm going to disable that, or say put it as normal instead of bold. Click Update All Settings. Come back to my website and refresh. Alright, that looks a little better. So now I've got fuel the conversation and submit a question now, and then who are your favorite TV show characters, both in that yellow. And when I click on the pop-up or on the light box by clicking anywhere on the footer itself, I see the same I see the same colors being used and the same fonts. Now the only thing I might change is to make the font weight, rather than bold, make it normal for the other font as well. Refresh, and great. Now we've got a really good looking opt-in box The fonts match the fonts on our website. The colors are a good match for one another. And that is how you configure your message settings. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to customize the opt-in form or survey that you use as part of your ioptinboost footer on your website. Thank you.